to Bamba. You wanna deal with the big boys. Now you the wrong, get the kitty, you the wrong, get a coffee drink with a drop cup. Ha! Wait, you can see how the thing goes. How the thing goes. Oh, you're telling me who blend you. And who? Ha! Alright, take it easy and let's play some high points. Okay.